Did you know 95% of your mind operates behind the scenes? We're going to explore that hidden operating system.
So, who's really calling the shots? You might think it's you, but science tells a different story.
Yep, that's right. 95% of your cognitive activity happens without you even knowing it. We're talking about your subconscious. It's like the brain's hidden OS, running everything on autopilot.
Okay, so let's get specific. These terms aren't the same. Each one means a different level of awareness.
So, two main parts of your brain are basically running this whole subconscious show.
First, the limbic system. It hardwires emotions into memories, triggering stuff like fight or flight.
When there's the basal ganglia, you know when you drive home on autopilot? That's it, saving you energy.
Okay, so when this autopilot kicks in, our minds tend to wander. Let's look at why.
Seriously, we might spend about half of our waking lives with our minds just wandering. And that's the work of something called the default mode network. It kicks in when we're at rest. So how does it actually create a daydream? Well, researchers found it's a fascinating two-part process. Basically, the brain has to do two things: connect to your inner world and disconnect from the outside. First, it couples internally, linking up memories and knowledge to build a whole train of thought. At the same time, it decouples externally. It's like turning down the volume on the outside world. So if we're on autopilot so much, can we even take back the wheel? How much control do we have? Brain scans show your subconscious predicts a choice up to 10 seconds before you are even aware of it. But we aren't just zombies. We have a conscious veto power right up until the last second. And we can even reprogram those subconscious signals. Visualization is a great way to do it. See, when you mentally rehearse something, you're literally building new pathways for habits and skills. And this idea of reprogramming our own brains, well, it leads us straight to the future of thought. Right now, scientists are using AI and brain interfaces to actually decode inner speech and even images. The potential here is incredible, especially for restoring communication for people with paralysis. But this opens up a huge question. If tech can read our minds, who actually owns our thoughts?